Shamata. Om Gurubhyo Namaha. Children, today we will know about two fish and the frog. Long, long ago in a lake there lived many fishes and frogs. Two fish, Sahasrabuddhi and Shatabuddhi, were friends with a frog called Ekabuddhi with his wife in a pond. All four were great friends. They spent a lot of time together. One day, when the friends were talking to each other on the edge of the pond, some fishermen were walking on the banks of the river. They were carrying baskets and nets with them. They saw the pond and said to one another, "This pond seems to be full of fishes. Let's come tomorrow and catch them." When the fisherman left the place, the frog Ekabuddhi said to the fish Sahasrabuddhi and Shatabuddhi, "Friends, you also heard what the fisherman said. Let's leave this pond immediately and go to some other pond to save our lives." Sahasrabuddhi and Shatabuddhi laughed at Ekabuddhi and said, "Well, as far as I think, the fishermen will never come back to catch us. But even if they do, they will never be able to trap us because we are expert swimmers and we know how to save ourselves." But the frog Ekabuddhi was not convinced with the views of Sahasrabuddhi and Shatabuddhi. Ekabuddhi said, "But I find myself not so expert in swimming. I will definitely leave this pond along with my family by this evening to settle down in some other pond or well." The same evening, Ekabuddhi abandoned the pond along with his family and went to nearby pond. The next day the fishermen came to the pond. They cast their nets and caught all the fishes. Sahasrabuddhi and Shatabuddhi were caught by the fishermen. The two fish tried to escape but in vain. They also got trapped in the net and died. When Ekabuddhi and his wife saw the fishermen returning with a lot of fishes in their net, they became very sad. They looked at the net with tearful eyes as they saw that their two friends, Sahasrabuddhi and Shatabuddhi, were dead. Children, confidence is a great thing. It allows us to get past our doubts and take action. Self confidence comes when we have depth in the subject and when we know what we are good at and what we are not good at. Self confidence will also help you not feel inferior. If we understand that we are all unique by nature, we would be automatically confident. When we are passionate about whatever we do and when we see some success, our self confidence builds up. But always remember that self confidence must not become overconfidence. There's a fine line between confidence and overconfidence. Being confident is attractive and appropriate. Children, one should not turn a deaf ear to a friend's advice. At the first hint of danger, act quickly to save yourself. Confidence is good, but overconfidence can become deadly. Overconfidence makes a person weak. It pertains to taking up wrong decisions at the end. Don't be overconfident in the face of danger. Think of safety first. Children, like, share, and subscribe to my channel Kathashravanam for more interesting stories. Stay home, stay safe, be happy, and take care.